Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling precise inputs so the AI can write confidently. First, list 6-10 roles, achievements, and metrics, raw facts that prove performance. Next, gather 2-3 target job descriptions to match tone and keywords. Finally, write a short 30-40 word personal summary that states your career goal and top skill. Once done, feed these items into the AI prompt. Make sure to label each section so the model knows which items are achievements, skills, or target requirements. You now craft prompts that push the AI from raw facts to polished bullets. Provide context, paste a target job description, list accomplishments, and specify tone and length, for example, 1-page ATS optimized. Then request 3 distinct variants: concise summary, ATS keyword heavy, and more narrative professional. Once the AI returns drafts, iterate by asking for stronger action verbs, clearer metrics, and reordering by impact. Make sure to keep sentences short and active, because hiring managers scan quickly and algorithms prefer clarity. You finish by validating and polishing so the resume can perform in the real world. Proofread every date, employer name, and metric. Do not assume AI got facts right. Next, run an ATS check and a quick human read test, shortening dense points to 2 lines maximum for skim readers. If the AI hallucinates or fabricates achievements, stop and correct the facts. Then rerun the prompt with a strict instruction: do not invent details and only use provided inputs. This prevents embarrassing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.